He has cleavage. He totally has cleavage. Oh, you almost had it.
Come on, kiddo.
You almost had it. Come on, kiddo.
Talk to Daddy again.
Alex.
Oh.
You're like this. We want you to be like this.
Daddy's silly.
Just looking. Kick those legs. Come on.
Come on, kiddo. What are you doing?
He so doesn't care right now.
Silly boy. Roll over. Roll over.
You made it that far.
Come on. Hey, no.
Yeah, look, he has cleavage. No. No.
Are you stuck again? Oh, he's stuck.
Thank you. Is that chicken?
Oh, bacon.
No, it's egg.
Come on.
I guess technically it's chicken.
Come on. Almost. There you go. Oh, you went the wrong way.
Come on.
Come on. You can do it. Oh. Come on. Yay.
Again.
What did you do? Hi. You want this dangly thing here? Big boy. You're such a big boy. Mommy's gonna give you kisses. Yes, she is. Here. I don't know if we're getting this, but...
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Say bye-bye. I'm a big boy. Ooh. Ooh, big boy. Ah. Ah. But. Oh. Oh, nice one.